All right, Mr. Lopez, I'm Judge Kim. This is a detention hearing. The law says when a child's brought to our facility, you have to see a judge within 2 days. I have to decide whether to keep you or release you. If I keep you, you'll see a judge every 10 days while you're here. You have the right to remain silent. You have a right to an attorney. Mr. Gladstone is your attorney. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning, Judge.
So, Zachariah, yesterday you were brought in by Fort Worth PD. You're saying the day before, Fort Worth gang unit was searching a vehicle that was involved in a drive-by shooting. When they began the search, a shots fired call was dispatched saying 4 to 5 gunshots fired at the same location, the same description as the flock hit. So real-time crime cameras showed the suspect vehicle drive up the convenience store, one on the right side. Passengers pointing a firearm out the window began firing into the parking lot of the convenience store where multiple people were standing around. Responding officers located the suspect vehicle nearby, tried to do a traffic stop, but then the vehicle continued to drive a short distance, stopped. Back right seat passenger, later identified as Zachariah, exited the vehicle and ran for the police. They gave chase on foot, all yelling, "Stop police." After running behind a business park, Lopez surrendered. Took him into custody. When they searched the area where you had laid down, they found a small black Smith & Wesson handgun. The report says it was not stolen. When searching, 1 live round and 1 9mm casing was in the front right passenger seat. They found a second Smith & Wesson handgun buried in clothes that were in a hamper basket in the trunk. Other 3 people stayed in the vehicle. Cameron Speed is companion. I think I remember that name. Is he one of our frequent flyers?
Yep.
And they're all identified Crip gang members. So you were brought over here. Well, all right, Zachariah, I'm finding there's probable cause that you committed this offense, whether it is directly or through law of parties, but you were in the car that was doing a drive-by shooting. Zachariah, you understand how I feel about kids with guns. I have a big problem with it. I have an, and so at this point, I'm deeply concerned about the safety of the community if I was to release you, see how you do while you're here, and then hopefully you can show me that it would be safe for the community to release you. I'm going to let you know, because we're looking at a potential aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. That is potentially up to 20 years of confinement. Right? And after your 19th birthday, I would have the decision of whether transferring you to adult prison to complete the remainder of your sentence. Because this is an EOC charge, you're also looking at an enhancement off of that as well. So I'm just letting you know this is a very critical point in your life where you need to start making good decisions. That needs to start today. All right? All right. Thank you, Zachariah.
So they're keeping my baby?
Yes, ma'am. We're keeping your.
How long are you keeping my baby?
Until it's safe to release him, but your baby is one that is putting other people's lives in danger. He's really not a baby anymore. Okay, he's involved with shooting other people. Yeah, he's not a baby. Okay.
Oh my God.
Cameron Speed. All right, Mr. Speed. I think we're waiting for the parents. Why would it surprise you that a court keeps a kid for being a drive-by shooting and running from the police?
I think that said a lot about what the problem might be.